capacity 3,500 pounds. This is a Dover. These are the elevators at the Metro North Garage, White Plains Station, White Plains, New York. Okay, so now we're on 8, unusual garage. I'm gonna train side and street side. I'm gonna get a view out of here. It's what maybe this is the stairwell. See if we can just. See, there's the White Plains skyline. Alice Bernstein, all these office buildings. It'd be a miracle if I can film in any of them. There's the, oh yeah, there's the time. And now let's look down, see the platforms below. Alright. Oh, hold on, is this another? Is there another part of this garage? I think it may be just the stairwell on this side. Huh. Are there elevators there or just stairs? Oh, there are elevators. You know what? We're gonna go and ride them after this. There's stairs from the Galleria. Yeah, we're gonna be filming 3 malls today. 2 of them, I believe, are good size. Galleria, White Plains Mall, and the Westchester. So let's finish this up first. Okay, yeah, these are Dover. We're gonna have to wait. Here's that stairwell again. No trespassing sign. Bet the elevator machine moves up there. Okay, let's head back down to 1 or B, whatever you want to call it. Though, you know what? There's a bridge level though. Might do that later. Second elevator. Wait for it to close off. There it goes. That's it. Okay, we're gonna go up to 5 or 4, whatever you want to call it, and check the bridge out. Emergency phone. Yeah, let's see. So there's a lower bridge down there. It's pay stations. There's the elevator. The other elevator I filmed. See, it goes down to the station. Yeah, tickets down there. Okay. Fun. Here comes the train. Perfect timing. Now people are going to get in. Yeah, the exit entrance processes. And people are going to exit on the bridge below me. Enter from the other side. In fact, I don't even know if the people can. Oh yeah, okay. We'll put on both sides. Probably want me to get it leaving as well. Maybe a better idea over here. There it goes. Alright, now let's try the other set of elevators in this garage. Here we come, almost there. Here's the other garage I was in. I don't know if you can see it. Gateway garage. Across from this one, they downgraded the elevators. These I don't think were ever glass. Okay, we're on level 6 on this side. Clock tower side I think is where we were. Huh. This one's waiting for me. Go to 7 or 8, whatever you want to call it. Alright. See, there's another restricted, whatever you want to, another restricted machine room, but that's what they should be. Capacity 3,500 pounds in here. 23 passengers. Here we are on 1. Okay, but we need to get a full ride. Get the cab view going down. Alright, now we're gonna wrap it up. Don't want to be here too long. I really want to be given loitering issues. I'm here to film an elevator, not to loiter. Film some elevators. Okay, this is 1. It's the emergency phone. Okay, there it goes. That's it.